Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the PhD entrance test 2020 for the full-time as well as the part-time PhD, and eligibility is the PG. Total 113 vacancies are there from the multiple departments, and it is from the state university. The UGC candidates are exempted from this test. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET Paper 1 as well as the Paper 2 Electronic Science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. Coming to the present content of the video, it is Maharaja Ranjit Singh Punjab Technical University. So PhD admission notice for the semester Jan 2021. ACT doctoral fellowship scheme is also there. So here applications are invited from the research oriented prospective postgraduate candidates for admission to full-time as well as a part-time PhD for various disciplines in the following faculties of Engineering and Technology, Sciences, Commerce and Management and Pharmacy. So you can check down the Faculty of Engineering and Technology, Civil, Computer Science, Electrical, Textile, Mechanical and ECE. And in the Faculty of Sciences, Physics, Chemistry, Food Science and Technology, Computer Applications. And in Faculty of Commerce and Management and from Pharmacy. So here the date of PhD entrance test PET 2021 is 17th January 2021. And the last date for receiving of online application from the candidates is 7th January 2021. And the text, whoever the test exempted candidates are there, the last date for submitting the complete PhD admission forms by registered post or by hand is 7th Jan 2021. And if you want to get the more details, you can enter into the official website of this one. And if you're having any queries regarding this advertisement, you may mail to this one, or here the contact number is also provided. So while coming to the PhD entrance test, the total 100 marks will be there. Section 1 and Section 2 research methodology, and next one is the knowledge of the subject of specialization. Total 90 minutes and 40 MCQs of 1.25 marks each, and 50 marks from the Section 1 and 50 marks from the Section 2. There are no negative markings and unattended questions will carry the 0 marks. And the candidates obtaining 50%, 45% for the SC, ST, OBC, non-creamy layer and different label. Marks for higher shall be considered as a qualified one. And the previous year question paper is available in the website itself for you, so you can check down, guys. Fine. So if you are having any queries, here the mail ID as well as the contact numbers are also given here. And coming to the syllabus, okay, the syllabus of this one is also kept in the official website of this one. So you may check down the syllabus for each and every discipline here. Okay, so it is the official website of the Maharaja Ranjit Singh Punjab Technical University. So here you will get the complete details regarding the PhD admission Jan 2021 advertisement and the what are the doctoral fellowship schemes, okay, that you can check down. Okay, and the online application form is available here, and the entrance test exam pattern and the syllabus and the PET calendar, the supervisors and seat detail for the PhD and instructions to the PhD aspirants. Okay, and you can check down the eligibility also. Okay, eligibility is the post graduation is required in the corresponding department. So anyhow, you can check down as per the departmental wise the eligibility here. Fine, MSc and all these things. And a few instructions are also provided. So please go through all these instructions. Okay. Anyhow, I will provide the website link in the description box of this video, so you can directly come to this one. And coming to the ACT doctoral fellowship, so you have to go through the latest guidelines, that is MRSPTU PhD regulations 2019. So that one also available in the official website. So you have to download and fill up the PhD admission form as available on the university website. Okay, personally submit it personally or by registered post, complete in all the respects by 7th Jan 2021. Okay, so these are the details, guys. Okay, so for accurate and more details, please visit the official website of this one, and please share this information to your friends or colleagues, and to get the more notifications, subscribe my channel. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here an announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I am going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these 2 courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.